Alright, so I'll be honest with you guys, this is my second time taking this video. The first time, we were too excited and we forgot to hit record, so this iPhone's already unboxed. What we have right here is probably one of the best phones released this year. So hey everyone! Apple really finds ways to remind us that it's not really about the specs, but the overall experience of the phone. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max just nails every aspect of it. So let's get on with the unboxing. So for the box, we have it here. And side by side with the 12 Pro box, it's wider and taller. And compared to the 11 Pro Max box, it is also wider and taller but thinner because again, we do not have the power bricks and the earphones for the new iPhones anymore because Apple is pushing for this whole more sustainable products and practices type of thing. So we also get a sneak peek of the color of the phone from the box as well. And before I opened this box, I never really liked Apple's gold phones. But maybe it's a new beginning. I think the last time I honestly liked a gold iPhone was back in the iPhone 5S days when they first released it. But after that, it honestly just went downhill for me. I did hear a lot of good reviews about this one, so let's check it out. So as mentioned earlier, this is unboxed already, and wow, that gold looks absolutely premium. And it feels like this phone came from a luxury brand, especially the stainless steel frame. But sadly, this is what catches all the fingerprints like what we saw in the 12 Pro. And there's some weight into it. If you didn't know yet, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a bigger footprint than the 11 Pro Max, which I have over here. It's just a bit bigger. So this is probably the biggest iPhone to date. So what's up everyone? Just a quick break while we're editing the video right now. Favorite snack, this is AM PM. So if you're from the Philippines, AM PM is one of our favorite snacks and you can just order it over on GrabFood. So they have this cute logo over here. So food unboxing for once. So Jet got the tiramisu while I got the Shizuoka matcha lava. So bigger iPhone, what does that actually mean for us? Compared to the 12 Pro, which we also unboxed over here, this does not run short on battery. It's at 3,687 milliamperes compared to the 12 Pro at 2,815 milliamperes. This basically means that it's gonna last you longer since there's a bunch of new features like 5G. For the camera, the 12 Pro Max also shoots at Dolby Vision, which offers the better range of colors. But unlike the Pro, this has sensor shifting stabilization, otherwise known as IBIS. This is mostly found in newer high-end mirrorless cameras. So this may be super nice for those who have shaky hands just like me because the phone will be stabilizing in real time. So something that you might not actually notice is that we have more zoom compared to the Pro. So instead of 2 times more zoom, we have 2.5 times zoom on the Pro Max versus the Pro. So another one would be the camera sensor. The sensor of this one is actually a bit bigger and wider than the Pro, which means that it would kill photography in low light. So maybe these would benefit the Pro Max users that really go in depth in Apple's new Apple Pro RAW photos. Something that I can't get out of my head is how huge the phone is. I mean, look at this thing. Since it might take a while for you guys to get your hands on the phone, just to give you a preview, let me try to describe it. So the gold that Apple is referring to is actually the stainless steel sides over here, which is actually really nice, besides the fact that it catches all of the fingerprints. Then the back of the phone is actually a very muted kind of gold, like in this case, because of the satin finish, which makes it look like a frosted glass. And if we compare it to the 12 Pro, it's actually kind of the same, wherein Apple calls this the silver, but only the stainless steel sides are actually silver, while the back is looking white because of the satin finish. And while we're at it, let's compare the cameras. The 12 Pro Max's camera is significantly bigger compared to the 12 Pro. Unlike the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, we didn't see any difference at all. This one's super obvious. But again, guys, this is just a quick unboxing. I wanted to get my impressions out since I'm an 11 Pro Max user and I want everyone to know whether or not this is actually worth it. And since this phone is relatively new, especially to those who are watching from the Philippines, I hope this video helps you out a lot since some of us just really want to know how the phone looks or how it compares to the older models or comparing it to the Pro model which we have here. And if you guys like this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button down there, and ring that notification bell for tech videos weekly, and I'll see you guys on the next one.